Ever pondered about incorporating reclaimed wood into your home decor? This unique material brings not only a rustic charm, but also a story to every corner of your home. Imagine the tales these time-worn planks could tell. Reclaimed wood is not only an eco-friendly choice, reducing deforestation, but it can also be a cost-effective and stylish option for home decor. It's a trend that's here to stay. Stay tuned to discover how to turn reclaimed wood into a stunning hanging wall decoration. To start this exciting project, you'll need a few essentials. First on the list is reclaimed wood, the heart and soul of our project. You'll also need some sandpaper to smooth out the rough edges and paint to bring your design to life. Don't forget brushes for applying the paint, hooks for assembly, and a sturdy rope for hanging. And of course, safety first, so make sure you have gloves and goggles on hand. Once you've gathered all your materials, you're ready to dive into the creative process. The first step is all about preparing your reclaimed wood. Now, this isn't just about making it look pretty. It's about ensuring that your canvas is safe, clean, and ready for your creative touch. Start by giving your wood a good once-over. Look for any nails, screws, or other bits of metal that might be hiding. Carefully remove these with a pair of pliers. You definitely don't want to find out the hard way that you missed one. Next up is sanding. This is where you'll smooth out any rough edges and give your wood that perfect touchable finish. Use a medium grit sandpaper for this job, and remember, always sand in the direction of the wood grain. This isn't just for appearances, it helps to prevent splintering too. This step is crucial, folks. It's all about setting yourself up for success. The better your preparation, the better your end result. With your wood prepped and ready, it's time to bring your vision to life. Now comes the fun part, designing and painting your wood. This is where your creativity truly comes into play. Think about what you want your hanging wall decoration to represent. Is it a bold geometric pattern to add a modern touch to your room? Or perhaps a whimsical scene to bring a sense of calm and serenity? Whatever your heart desires, let it guide your design. Start by sketching your design on a piece of paper. This will give you a clear idea of what you want to achieve and allow you to plan out your painting process. Once you have a design you're happy with, transfer it onto your reclaimed wood using a pencil. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's the little imperfections that make your piece truly unique. Now let's talk paint. If you're going for a rustic look, consider using muted earth tones. For a more vibrant piece, feel free to explore with bright, bold colors. You can use stencils for more intricate designs or go freehand if you're comfortable. Take your time with the painting process. Use a fine brush for the smaller details and a broader one for larger areas. Don't be afraid to layer your colors for depth and texture. And there you have it. Your reclaimed wood is now a piece of art. But we're not quite done yet. With your design complete, you're just one step away from having a unique hanging wall decoration. The final step is to assemble and hang your creation. You're on the brink of transforming your reclaimed wood into a unique piece of art that will serve as a charming addition to your space. Now, let's talk about attaching hooks to the wood. It's as straightforward as drilling a hole and screwing the hook in. But remember, always choose a hook that complements the size and weight of your decoration. You wouldn't want your masterpiece to come crashing down, would you? Next up, tying the rope. This is where your knot tying skills come into play. The key is to secure the rope tightly to the hooks, ensuring it's sturdy enough to hold the weight of your decoration. Choosing a suitable location to hang your decoration is just as important as creating it. You'll want to find a spot that not only showcases your creation, but also enhances the aesthetics of your room. Consider the lighting, the color of the wall, and the height at which the decoration will hang. It should be at eye level, so it's easily noticeable yet not intrusive. And voila! You've successfully turned reclaimed wood into a beautiful hanging wall decoration. Now you can enjoy your handmade piece of art and the charm it brings to your space.